So if you're interested in a good lithium stock and you're in it, I'm not sure your knowledge on lithium, but take a look at European Lithium. If I saw this video, they're in a trading halt now. I was going to buy them this morning, but they're in a trading halt because they're about to announce probably a resource upgrade. So that's why they're in a trading halt. I would have bought them. If I saw this video last week, I definitely probably would have bought some. And they're in a trading halt now. So watch this one, and you can listen to me blabber on about them. So they went 30% the other day. Anyway, so the high, so last year no one could make money in lithium, so they're down, and now they've tripled since then, but that's nothing compared to some other companies that are actually producing lithium. So then Austria, they're not just producing, like the biggest lithium company in the world, Hard Rock Lithium, besides Greenbushes, I think these guys are getting a product out of the ground for $300, selling it for $2,000, and the place is buying it for $2,000, spending $4,000 on it, and then selling it for $25,000. But they also have interest in that place that buys it for $2,000 and then makes a better product that sells for $25,000 to the battery guys. So hopefully you know that spodumene costs like $2,000 the last spot price, and then people buy that and then turn it into lithium hydroxide, and that sells for $25,000 a ton. These were all tons that I was just talking about. But this company here, they want to do the whole thing themselves, so they want to... Where's that thing I had? Projects. They want to do the whole thing themselves, so set up a mine, call Lithium setting up the mine just to get it spodumene concentrate that sells for $2,000. Costs them $300, sells for $2,000. Set up the mine, costs 50 million American. Call Lithium, this is totally different. We'll pay that off in like less than a year at the current lithium price. Actually, that's at the spot price. I'm not sure of the offtake agreement, but even they'll pay it off in a year probably. So the money from lithium now is just crazy because there's so much demand, no one's been producing it at scale. So who's ever first in, best dressed will be printing money. That's why Pilbara Mineral Resources is like a $6 billion company. So anyway, these guys are taking that stuff out of the ground, but they're not selling it, they're making it themselves into lithium hydroxide. So I think they're going to be, their cost price will be 5,000, 6,000 and selling it for 25,000 at the current price. They don't have an offtake agreement in place, but so that's pretty big money. That's 10,000 times $20,000 is 200 million a year. So you want to buy a small company that can make a lot of money in the future. So $200 million a year. Say it's only half as good as that. Say they're only making $100 million a year. The current market cap is 100 million. So if they're making $200 million a year or $100 million a year next year, this market cap is going to go ballistic, probably the same as Core Lithium did. So this could follow in the footsteps of Core Lithium. Core Lithium just started building their project. Another thing about European Lithium, the mine here was, they were already, government had this mine producing lithium for like lubricants or something. So they built the $100 million mine. That's what Core Lithium's building now. But then they need to build, the Australian government said, we don't want you selling this spodumene to China, you have to build a plant here. So they're going to build a plant as well, which might cost like 500 million, not sure. Do your own research. So they spend all that money, so that will also affect the share price because they have to raise the money for that plant. But then they'll be making more money afterwards. So this could be a company near production. I'm wishing, if I saw the video watch that video I showed you. As I probably would have been, I'll buy in there in trading halt now. They're probably going to come with the trading halt because they're going to upgrade their resource, and they might go up, I don't know, 40% when they come with the trading halt. Who knows? And will they fall back down? They might fall back down a bit, and then they might just keep going. In my opinion, unless the lithium market crashes for some reason, but it doesn't look so because there's so much demand. 10 kilos of lithium for every Tesla, and that's only $300 spent on lithium. So the price of lithium could be said it's high at the moment, but it could go even higher. There's so much demand for it, and hardly anyone's producing it. So look at supply and demand for lithium, do your own research, but the demand is just so huge that supply isn't going to be able to keep up for years to come. For like 5 years until all these projects get online, it's just going to be bulk money for anyone who has a lithium, producing lithium at the moment. So this MPV is going to get redone, so I'll probably double that MPV. That will like go up as well. Mine life will increase. This could increase as well. So that's what's going to come up and probably jump the share price when it comes to trading hold. I think it's coming off on the 28th of October. So European lithium, something to look at. I'm not sure. I'm going to see how it comes off the trading hold. I would have definitely bought in. I saw that video I saw. I would have bought in the other day. This video, if I didn't say this video here, watch this. That will tell you through the video. So that's all I can say to these guys. Looks like a pretty good punt. See what happens when they come with a trading halt, and then might buy in if they don't go ridiculously high. But even at 200 million, it could be called a safe investment and maybe even double from there quite easily, as long as the company is heading towards and meeting their goals. So again, that direct feasibility study, which allows them to get money from the bank. I think they want to get money from the bank, money from investors, and money from offtake partner for funding their operation. So that's what's next. The DFS comes out, then they need the DFS so they can raise actual money from a bank or something, and then they'll go about. They don't have to build a mine. The mine's already built. They've actually got 1,500 tons of spodumene out, and for 300 of those tons, they made into lithium hydroxide. So they've actually proved that they can make lithium hydroxide in a pilot plant. So they're quite far ahead, not as far as core lithium, but yes, they're going to be pretty close to producing. Won't take them too long, I wouldn't say. Maybe a couple years, and they'll be printing money. So definitely worth doing some more research yourself on European lithium. Compare it to everyone else. You've got other lithium companies, GL1. These guys have probably the same resources as European lithium, but they look to be drilling and expanding their resource before even talking about a pre-feasibility study. But this company could boom as well. Remember, they're only $40 million company, GL1. So yeah, they can go up a lot. They're probably my second best, well, one of my top penny stock lithium things. And then there's AGY, but they've already grown quite a bit. They could be printing money as well. They're doing a brine mine. I don't like that. That looks like it can come down. But anyway, lithium price is high. These stocks are going crazy. Anything lithium is just going up and up. I might just start my own stock with lithium in the name. Ben Palmer Lithium. Invest today. BPL. Ben Palmer Lithium. Okay, that's it from me. Take a look at European Lithium, and if any other stocks you think are good, let me know in the comments below. Any stock that I've missed, please tell me, because I would like to put $10,000 in and make $100,000, or maybe even put $20,000 in and make $2 million and retire and ride jet skis. Isn't that the goal? I think so. So that's it from me. You'll be hearing from me quite a bit, or maybe not.